Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to speak at this timely event. Today, 75% of the land surface is significantly altered. 66% of the ocean area is experiencing increasing cumulative impacts. Over 85% of wetlands have been lost. According to the 5th Global Biodiversity Outlook Report, none of the HE biodiversity targets were fully met. This, in turn, threatens the achievement of SDGs and undermines efforts to address climate change. Loss in biodiversity would increase the risk of spread of zoonotic diseases. COVID-19 is one of them. We must adopt an ambitious post-2020 biodiversity framework and achieve meaningful progress on climate finance at the forthcoming UN Biodiversity Conference and COP26. Our country has embarked upon a journey of restoring our ecosystem through nature-based solutions. We are aiming to plant 10 billion trees. Initiatives have been launched to conserve both land and water resources for optimal use, achieve the land degradation neutrality targets, and enhance groundwater storage. Excellencies, let us demonstrate leadership and commitment to improve our relationship with nature and place it at the center of the fight against climate change, including by repurposing and aligning public and private financial flows towards that end. I thank you.